Hi everyone, Christy here. Today I thought I would make a video about burps, farts, and sighs. Oh my! In the ancient healing art of Jin Shin Jyutsu, we can harmonize what I have called our body broadcasts, the noises we make and so on, with various self-helps. The three that I'm going to talk about today are all linked in a way. So the gas production is largely related to the liver and the gallbladder. And for burps, it's mostly gallbladder. And if you aren't familiar with the ancient healing art, similar to acupuncture, using gentle touch instead of needles, there are points on the body you can hold to harmonize things. So with the gallbladder, you have one hand on 120. That is one of the safety energy lock 20s, and the other hand on safety energy lock 12 on the opposite side. That will help harmonize gas. And then you can do the other way as well. And also the liver, which is one hand on safety energy lock 4 and the other hand on safety energy lock 22, which is right under the collarbone. And then you can do the other way as well. So that gallbladder and liver are both good for passing gas or farting, if you will, because it helps reduce the gas production in your body. And then sighing, believe it or not, is related to this, because sighing is a way of releasing, of exhaling, of sort of letting out something. And sometimes we do this consciously, but sometimes we do it when we're exasperated. Gallbladder and liver have everything to do with anger, frustration, annoyance. We let a sigh out and we roll our eyes. So that also can be harmonized more by the gallbladder than by the liver. So that's a little tip, trick, whatever, suggestion for today for, what was it again? Burps, farts, and sighs. I'd love to hear in the comments below whether you've used any of these things or if you are willing to try them and give me feedback on how it's gone for you. I'd love to hear that in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And in the meantime, please go be brilliant.